What happens if you lose your H-1B visa job? Well, here is what you should do next. Job loss is never easy, but for professionals working in the United States on an H-1B visa, it can be more stressful because their immigration status is connected to their employment. Now, first thing is to remember that losing your job does not mean to have you to leave the United States immediately. In many cases, the H-1B visa workers may receive a discretionary grace period for about 60 days consecutive, or until their current H-1B visa approval, which is I-94, expires within coming days. Now, the period gives eligible workers to decide their next step. So, what should you do during this time? Well, the best option is to find a new employer as quick as possible. If another US company is willing to sponsor you, it can file a new H-1B visa petition on your behalf. In many situations, you may be able to start working for a new employer as soon as USCIS receives a proper filed H-1B visa transfer petition without waiting for final approval. And if you meet the required eligibility conditions, if finding a new job takes longer, you may have other legal options as well. Depending on your circumstances, you can apply for a change for the status. Now, this could include switching to a B2 visitor visa, an F1 student visa, or H4 dependent visa. Also, in some cases, another eligible non-immigrant category. Filing a timely application may allow you to remain in the United States while your request is being processed. Some workers may also qualify for the adjustment of the status if they are already eligible to pay for the permanent residence. In limited cases involving exceptional circumstances, the certain individuals may also qualify for a compelling circumstances and circumstances employment authorization document, which is known as EAD. If none of these options are available to you, the safest choice is to leave the United States before your authorized stay expires. Yes, remaining in the country without lawful status can create serious immigration problems and may also affect your future visa or green card implications. Now, there are also a few important things to remember. The 60-day grace period is not automatic. It is discretionary and generally available only once during each approved H-1B visa petition validity period. Also, simply remaining in the US during the grace period does not give you permission to work unless you have a valid employment authorization. Now, for many Indian professionals waiting for the employment-based green cards, a layoff can be very overwhelming. However, losing your job does not always mean your immigration journey, well, it is not over yet. The most important thing is to act quickly, understand your legal options, and avoid missing the important details. The key message is simple. Do not panic, but do not wait either. If you lose your job, explore the other options immediately, and if needed to consult a qualified US immigration attorney, do it as soon as possible. Acting early can help protect both legal status and losing a job termination in the future goals. So, what are your thoughts on this? Make sure to comment down below.